Scrap quilts, something we all like to make, but actually I'm not very good at it because I tend to try and organize my fabrics too much. But this is one scrap quilt where anything goes, absolutely anything. You don't even have to color coordinate it, but some of the quilts behind me are color coordinated. We've got two light and dark blues here, and then this one in the lovely russet colors. Let me show you an example of a miniature but anything goes quilt. The braids are just made and put together. They're chopped at the top and the bottom to whatever size we want. And these actually started off from a scrap bag that was 1.5 inches wide. I personally like to add chimney stones. And again, this is a work in progress and actually a student demonstration model. So you can see I've forgotten to finish the edges. But we've got the chimney stones here, which are this coordinating square that runs down through the middle.